70% of our planet is water, but are we protecting it? We at Great Lakes believe leadership is built through action. This is Karma Yoga. We boarded the bus at Great Lakes and headed towards Sadras beach. Here, we put on our gloves and got ready to clean all the plastic waste and the non-biodegradable waste. Without waiting, we got into action. Did you know an average of 1 metric ton of trash per kilometer stretch of coastline is seen in India? Here we say teamwork is dreamwork. You can see that in action. Happy to say, we cleared out all the trash in the area. Cleaning the beach ourselves alone wouldn't solve this problem. We wanted to create awareness among all the villagers. We went on to conduct an awareness campaign among the youth and the children, because children are the future, you see. We made it playful and fun to learn through various games.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
Our planet deserves all the love we can give. This is our effort in taking care of it. Karma Yoga isn't just a project, it is our commitment to change. This is great leadership at Great Lakes. Thank you.